Hi guys, I feel like I haven't been on here for such a long time. Why am I looking at this when I should be looking at this? So today I wanted to share a hair tutorial, basically how I do my hair on a daily, not daily basis, but like whenever I do my hair, how I do it. I just purchased a new blow dryer and it came with a brush. This is the Featherweight, right? Featherweight Luxe 2i. It looks like this. And I've seen this blow dryer or hair dryer floating around Instagram for a really long time, and I wanted to give it a try, but I was skeptical because a lot of people got it for free and they were showing reviews, and I was just like, I don't know if it's good, but I decided to purchase it anyways. It looks like this, and the brush looks really good, so I'm excited to try it. It's really lighter than my current blow dryer, and I really like that. It is plastic, which kind of feels a little cheap, but it looks really beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do my hair. I really hope to not edit this video as much as I usually edit videos because I feel like it takes a really long time, so I'm just gonna try and do it in one take. So bear with me. I'm gonna go ahead and just part my hair. I just washed it and I let it air dry just a little bit. As you can see, it's a little frizzy. I didn't add anything on my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and part it straight down the middle. And my daughter and I have been trying to record this video for like the past hour and a half, and my camera has been just playing games with me. So go ahead and just clip my hair. Right here. Just tell it, okay, oh my god, I look crazy. Okay, that's fine. I actually got this little hair clip from my dad's aunt. She came back from Bangladesh and she brought it.
Your husband's aunt.
What did I say?
Your dad's aunt.
Okay, well, my husband's aunt. Her name is Mili, and my kids call her Mili Dadu, but my husband calls her Mili Hala, which means Millie the ant. Okay, this is Bengali 101. So let's just go ahead and get started. Hopefully my lights don't go off after I turn it on, because I do have a ton of lights over here, which is why you can see me a little bit clearer. It dries the hair pretty quickly, just that it's not like nicely done. It's like a little frizzy, but I don't mind that. But I'm sure for those of you who don't have the time to curl it afterwards or even flat iron it, you're not gonna like the fact that it leaves your hair like this. About the blow dryer not leaving your hair nice and smooth. I feel like it's the brush, and because I have long hair and I have a lot of hair, it doesn't grasp like all the hair. I think I need like longer bristles. So the blow dryer, it is really nice. You guys, in like 13 minutes my hair got dried. I do love the blow dryer because it is nice and light, which means that you work a little bit faster. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I curl my hair. A little frizzy on the bottom, but I feel like I didn't brush it too much. because I was going to use my Conair curling iron to do my curls afterwards. And I do like a little bit of volume, but if you don't, then I would highly recommend using the brush for a little bit longer at the bottom if you want more of a smooth and straight look. But so far so good, I like it. I mean, anything to cut down my time with blow drying or just styling my hair in general. I used the Garnier Sleek Shot. When I was in the shower, I mixed it with my shampoo, so that definitely cuts down on the styling time. That's what it looks like right here. My little assistant brought it over. I keep showing my products and like my face, and I'm even talking to my computer. Like, I should be speaking to you guys. I'm so sorry. I feel like I've been out of the game for so long and I'm just getting back. Woo, still wet. I'm just getting back into it. Let's go ahead and do the rest of the hair. So what I normally do is I just take pieces. I don't even like divide it into precise pieces. Like, I literally just take chunks of hair and I take my, actually I'm gonna put this one too. Split this one in two like this, and I take this and I open it up just at the top because I do want it to be a little bit flatter at the top, and then I just wrap my hair around it and I open it up so I can kind of clamp the hair and hold it right there, and I hold it for a couple of seconds. I honestly wish that I could have this set up like this all the time so I can make videos for you guys really often, or quite often. It just takes me such a long time to set up and then to remove it because like my living room is back there and my kids are always there. My kitchen is up here, so it's like I can't have this whole lighting camera set up all the time. And again, the process of opening all the lights and putting the soft boxes out, it just takes forever. But I am glad that I'm doing this right now. The kids are out. Jaylene's here with me, helping me out. But yeah, the kids are just out for a walk with Daddy. Beautiful Saturday morning. Okay, so this is what my hair usually looks like. This is the type of curl that I like. And I like to kind of turn it this way so when I let it out, it looks like this. Rather than if I leave it like this, the curls won't be facing out. I don't know if that even makes sense, but I know what I'm saying. So like this. So you see, if you turn your iron this way, your curl will go out like this. See, like the same shape. But if you leave it like this, your curl won't look like that. Okay, let me just continue doing the rest before I look crazy and sound crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna take another piece, doing the same thing, opening it up at the top and kind of like running the iron through my hair midway just so it can get nice and smooth. And then I wrap it. I do it around 2 to 3 times because my hair is really long. And if I want the curls just at the bottom and I'm gonna do like a sleek hair, like a sleek style, like up to here, and then I'll do one curl, so like this, I'll wrap it around only once. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't even know how I have energy right now. I didn't even eat anything yet. Oh, actually, I'm having my little, what is this? Like a bar, protein bar? Yeah, it's a protein bar, plant-based. It is from Orgain. Maybe that's why I have energy. Look how pretty, guys. Isn't that nice? For those of you who are going to be asking me on the comment section, this is a 1.5 inch curling iron. Keratin from Conair. And I love Conair products. I know they're a little bit on the cheaper side, but they work equally as well as the higher end ones, and they last a really long time. For me anyways, I use my products, like my tools, my heating tools, pretty often, and they've lasted a while. So another reason why I didn't want to cut the video, and like I wanted to just do it in one take, is because a lot of you guys say that I'm really funny on my Insta stories, and that you guys can't see my personality on my YouTube videos. So I feel like it's because I cut it out. I always cut like the parts that I sound kind of weird or I say a bad joke. I cut those parts out, and you guys, you know, don't really see it. And I feel like that's a part of me. That's just my personality. So I'm not going to cut those parts out anymore. I'm gonna just be myself and see what y'all think. Someone came to visit. Come here, baby. What is this? Come and see. What is this? Come. Come and see what this is. Look. It's a camera. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a camera. I really like this setup here. Can you guys tell me in the comment section below if you like the way that this looks, so I can do more videos in the same spot? I think it's just hard when you work from home. And again, I'm talking to my camera, to my computer. But when you work from home, it's really hard to kind of like have peace, number one, but find a place to make videos all the time, you know? So if you guys like this setup, let me know. Oh, he wants mama. My heart is breaking. Tell me that's not the cutest curl ever. This is hot. Caliente. Yeah. Thank you.
It's funny when he sees people walking by, he goes, ha.
It's getting a little hot. Is it just me? This is like an eyesore. This hair clip, right? Mm-hmm. It's like purple and big and on my head. And it has diamonds. It's a little wonky. Let's do it again. This way or this way? Oh, it's this way. See, I'm looking at my camera or at my computer, and I'm doing everything the opposite. It's supposed to be this way. So then the curl can come down. Did I do it wrong again?
No, I know.
Oh my god. Yeah, sorry, you guys. So yesterday I did my nails. I don't know if you guys can see. They're a nice length. They're not too long. They're not too short. But it's been a while since I had them, so I'm kind of still getting used to them. And what made me get my nails was the fact that, I don't know, I just wanted them. I actually was looking at my hands and I was like, man, my hands look a little chunky. And I feel like with nails, your hands just look, you know, more feminine and thinner and longer and just more flattering, you know? And this is when I start getting tired and lazy and I start taking bigger pieces and it just looks completely different than the other side. Does that happen to you guys too? Like you start getting tired and like my arm hurts so much. Filming is no joke. I know you guys see these videos on Instagram all the time and on YouTube, but you guys don't know what goes behind the camera, like what happens behind the camera. It's a lot of sweating up in here. This is what my hair looks like when everything is completely curled. And that, you guys, is how I do my hair.